Let us open a reminder and walk through its whole life. We open our VAT filing reminder from the list. Not ready to deal with it yet. We snooze it. It quietens down until the time we choose, then comes back here in 1 hour. When the work is actually done, we tick off the checklist. Remember, every item must be checked before the reminder will let us complete it. Now we complete it, with a short note for the record. Completed. And when the same task comes round again, we do not start from scratch, we recreate it. That clones the whole reminder, with its checklist, onto a fresh due date. Here is the fresh copy. And if someone else should own it, we delegate it, the reminder, its checklist and its schedule all move to a colleague in one click. We hand it to Ada Okeke in finance. Snooze, complete, recreate, delegate, the full life of a reminder, all tracked with an activity trail of who did what and when.